Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to convert the PDF file into editable Word document. So I have downloaded a PDF file from the internet. The easiest way to convert the PDF file is to open the Word and drag this PDF file into the Word. Now the Microsoft will say Word will now convert your PDF to a editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains lot of crap. So it is telling you that it will be editable in the Word. You can edit the text, but the convertible file may not look like the original PDF. So click OK. This is the Word document you have converted from the PDF file. You can add anything. I'm adding my name here. I'm adding my name. So this is the easiest way to convert the PDF file into the Word document. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.